Hello guys, welcome back once more. So we have a question to solve and we are being asked to express 7 over 4 as a decimal. So for us to achieve this, we will make use of DMS, which is long division. So let's go there. First of all, I draw my divisor sign, DMS. Now, I'll write my denominator 4 and I'll write my numerator inside the box. Now, how many times will 4 go into 7? 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 is greater than 7. Therefore, we are going to take this 1. So we'll write 1 at the top. The next thing now is to what? Multiply. We have divided, which is D. Now we want to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Now we take away, which is the subtraction. Guys, what 7 take away 4? 7 take away 4 is 3. Remember, our aim is to make this place to become a 0 in some cases. Now, can 4 go into 3? 4 cannot go into 3 because 4 is greater than 3. Therefore, we introduce the decimal point and add a 0 here. 4 into 30. How many times will 4 go into 30? 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 26. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. So we can see that when we are looking for 30, this is the place we stop, and that is 7. So we write down the 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Now what do we do again? We subtract. Now 30 take away 28 is what? 2. 4 is greater than 2. We add a 0. Now 4 into 20 is what? 4 into 20 is 5. We write 5. Now 5 times 4 is 20. And when we subtract, we get what? 0, 0. Therefore, 7 divided by 4 in fraction is 1.75. Using the same method and skill, can you change 9 over 4 to a decimal? Please like, share, and invite others. See you in the next one. Bye.